Bryce Taylor with Downtown Physical Therapy and creator of the Halo Trainer. I'm here with intern Natalie, and we're going to introduce some multiplanar bridging variations. So let's get started with the floor. The floor is a stable surface. Natalie's lying supine. She's going to hinge instead of articulate. She's hinging up into a bridge, and from there, when she performs her single leg hinge into hip extension, she's going to add a little kick out to the side, which is abduction. She started with knee bent, then went knee straight. And so let's see, a single leg hinge to abduction. We'll put it all together. Single leg hinge, down, yes. Single leg hinge, abduction, yes. And that's what it looks like from the floor. Now, as she's setting up the next variation, just discuss really quickly, not only is it a stable surface, but the load is being transferred to the upper spine, up into the thoracic spine, and potentially even up into the neck a little bit. So this variation, you'll see that the load is actually transferred to the legs, which is more appropriate for the gluteal activation. So here we got another hinge, but when she goes into the hinge, instead of a concentric hip extension, now we've got an eccentric hip extension. And once again, those variations from bent knee to straight knee make quite a difference in counter rotation effort. And then we're going to show you a third variation, which is kind of in between the two because it's a more stable surface. And with the BOSU, the air displacement is half. The roundness is the same. It's not rolling like it was not with the Halo Trainer engaged in the stability ball. And another thing to look at here is that load displacement. The load displacement is transferred upward and not so much downward. So it's much more like the floor variation with a lower elevation. But there's the hip extension and then the abduction. So think of it going from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And that, my friends, is a multiplanar bridge for a better booty.